Jaka ni jingialang lom du sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Pak Prestone Tensong ubah kemiru ia Tnad District Council Affairs hagabai ke kenhuan jong Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council dalam dau CEM ubah Thombor Shiwan Jaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council dalam dau CEM Albino Shmarak ndrai CEM ka KHEDC ubah Shembor Renja Shemlawan Poi bad wan pat ban mi kmat dau executive member ubah Powells Auckland Pelai don langru ki officer sarkar na Tnad District Council Affairs bat Tnad Penroisor. Habai keren bikin orang patai kubor hadin belawai ke jingialang Pak Prestone Tensong ulong ba ke jingialang ke lesye megarai ban penkamti ha Tnad Penroisor ban wat kilat gilenti ban penti kena bagi constituency jonggi District Council ki bahap ha ki Jaka sor. Kini ban Pyntreikam ya ke tight bat untight grant jong ke Finance Commission ke Bakatsan. Ubah Prestone Tensong loong bagi kelompok upor AA nerila bertapat badai ban le akloy kakam kenang banyok ban Pyntreikam no igi Skhim jaga Finance Commission ke Bakatsan ke ban kod hubunai leber jong ke Senam Banwan. Ulang bagani ke jeng aklami ke datang namar bagi sarkar pedang gelapan mi ke portal bala Pyntreikam online no ke Skhim. Dari Senam ke bala let ke dai ke bala Pyntreikam offline namar ba kampat don ha ke portal.
Pi minta kadon pa ka problem namara ba kadika online ki portal kala create la ka jong ka portal pi mensua habang padon ya kanika kampadon kanika portal kai bajia kolong ba ki don ki scheme ki balamang kerpang menda ki discouncil subu no minta la sanction kerpang ki si hajar tengka te kum ka ke chizi kumur ki sampar ki MDC bro arkun lain temut kilayo ban implement claim yak sim yaka urban lane ka rural den ring ong pi anik la create ya ka portal pada menta kam ya chu kumta katu ka portal kam accept lada ke yo I ba kam don hakalis jong ka rural area kam accept dehang ta ba mi ka issue ka bangihap ban kren ka betaka urban batka rural namar ba ka along no penban ko deprive ye ki bapli ki MDC ki ba job hapo ki neki urban area
kalau beli konstitusi
ya mentangam la ban ong kanut li in detail then ray kidon menta kum hatura kidon around 3-4 menta hapo kum hapo shillong ngatai kidon kum 5-6 nata hajuai kidon kum ta 4-5 plane kita ki
urban constituencies
we are talking about urban but I please don't take it as final because as I said to you it must be like that only they must be happening around 3-4 in July again here in Shillong maybe 5-6 like that and then even in Tura they have around 4-5 like that. But all the three district council they came. Of course the CM of KGZ he sent only the representative 3 or 4 active members they present there along with the officers.